Welcome to the Carnival celebration.
Now I'm cruising.
We are here on Carnival's newest fun ship, the Celebration, and I think this ship is amazing. But don't take my word for it. Let's see what the other passengers have to say.
I think that the ship is huge. It's bigger than I expected it to be. There's a lot of things to do.
We love it.
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. So much fun. We're having so fun. I don't know how we're going to keep our energy up like this high the whole time.
Oh, it's wonderful. I like the central center stage.
There's a lot to see. It's really big.
Very big, very huge. Every time I got out of the elevator, I had to look at if it was aft or front, because I got turned around every time. I'm used to knowing where the food is and where other directions are, and just the glitz and glamour is amazing. It's a place where you need to be.
I'm very impressed by it. It's very similar to the Mardi Gras, but there's a couple of things that are a little bit different. If you get a chance to go to the Latitudes bar, they have this awesome, I don't even want to ruin it, there's this awesome little experience that goes along with it. It's amazing, brand new, I'm enjoying it.
I think it's really fun. It's quite a big ship, I know, but so many people have told me, oh, it's a really big ship. And she's having fun, aren't you?
So my first impressions is that I love it. The decor everywhere is beautiful. I love how they honor the past ships of the Carnival Cruises, how they have the display. The dining is wonderful. My first night, I basically went to Fahrenheit 555 and it was just chef's kiss. The whole experience was definitely beautiful.
I'm like shocked. I've been on so many cruises, but like the update on Carnival is crazy. Like it's beautiful. I like it.
Oh, I love the ship. It's got a lot of different things on it. I'm telling her earlier, especially what I love is the food venues. There's so many of them and they're spread all over the boat, so it's real nice.
It's a beautiful ship. Can't wait to book it again.
Yeah, we've been on a lot of Carnival cruises and this is by far the best ship so far.
I think it's a great ship. Everything is new, so it's got that new ship smell, and it's got a lot of the favorites that I had from the Mardi Gras and a couple of changes. So, you know, while it's the same, it's a little something else, a little different. So I love it.
It's really hard. I think it's going to be, for now anyway, my favorite ship. I love the decor. It's so relaxing, so soothing, and so classic. And all the different touches of the history and everything. I absolutely love the ship.
My first impression is just the sheer size of the ship. It's new, it's modern, it's beautiful. It is truly a great ship that Carnival has made.
Oh gosh, I think she is first class all the way. She is so beautifully laid out and amazing. It's hard to believe you're on a ship when you're walking down the main stretch.
It's like a first class hotel. It really is. You sometimes lose sight that you're really on a ship. And the motif and everything around you just sparkles. It's all new and beautiful.
It's a great ship. It's a lot to take in. Definitely recommend not doing it on one cruise. The food has been amazing and the staff has been just welcoming and everything.
My first impression was it's really beautiful, and I love the theming.
I think the same thing. It's extremely beautiful. My favorite area is the downstairs through the Golden Jubilee to the Latitudes bar. It's just extremely beautiful. I love the theme, the design. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
It is a beautiful ship. There's so much to do, so much to see, and there's still some places that my family hasn't seen yet. So there's stuff for everyone of every age.
It's a really beautiful ship, and it's like a lot bigger than I expected. I haven't even looked at everything yet, but it seems like really fun.
So far I think they've done a fantastic job. The ship is laid out very well. They have great dining alternatives, and so far we love it.
Definitely love it. A lot of the crew is from the Mardi Gras as well, and they are fantastic, and everyone has been great.
Oh my God, it is amazing. Even though it's a big ship, I was a little intimidated. Do not be intimidated. It is the funnest ship I've ever been on. All the action, all the entertainment, and it's straight family fun, Carnival style. You must come out and definitely cruise from Miami on the Celebration.
Oh, this ship is immaculate, just amazing, beautiful all across the boat.
It's amazing to see everything and all the water slides and all the things there are to do. They have great service.
And it's just an incredible experience to be on this ship. It's beautiful, it's humongous, and it's just a great time overall. Very fun.
Alright, my first impression when I came on the ship was like, wow, what is this place? Is this Wizard of Oz or something? It was fantastic, man. We loved it. Very inviting. The staff was great.
Carnival Celebration is an excellent ship. It's big. There's a lot to do. So we're on a 6-day sailing. There's not really that much time to do everything, but we've had an excellent time. The shows are excellent. I feel like this is probably one of the best cruises that we've had with the shows. So they've upped their game on that, and they've actually debuted some shows while we've been here. So it's been awesome. The food's been awesome, and we love it. So if you get a chance to get on Carnival Celebration, I'd highly recommend it.
Well, they have certainly outdone themselves. It's a beautiful ship. I don't think they missed anything. So you got 19 decks of fun here. You got a roller coaster. And this time around they even added a zip line for the people that are really brave and crazy. But I love the ship. The food is awesome, as usual. All the different choices you have everywhere. There's something for everyone on this ship.
It's amazing, very big. We love all the natural light. There's lots of areas where it's tiered inside, which we have never seen that before. So you can be in one area while you're also listening to music downstairs. Lots of different mini pools around the sides, so it kind of helps people spread out, different restaurants. Yeah, it's awesome. We love it.
I love this ship. It's definitely a sister of the Mardi Gras. Makes me feel at home with enough difference that it's fun for the differences of the cruise ship.
Absolutely phenomenal.
Amazing.
Yes. We love it here. We love it here. And we will definitely be on this ship one more again, okay? And then we're off to the Jubilee.
For the differences of the cruise ship. So much fun. I'm sorry. Oh, were you trying to? You were trying not to have your feet in the water.
That's funny? No, they think it's funny. Whoa. All right.
I'm sorry, Mark.
All right. It's all Nancy's fault. See you later.